Whew, another day fishing in the rain. There's a pop. Look at that. It's freaking real. Ooh, what do we have? Ooh, look at this, guys. Look at this beast. Holy shit. Look at this tanker, guys. Holy shit. Woohoo! Look at this freaking stuff. Oh, he's bleeding bad. Oh no. Oh. Stop for a second. I want to measure you. I can't keep you. You are bleeding though. You got a hook in you, I think. Yeah, a little over 9. I gotta keep him, guys. He's bleeding. He's bleeding. I don't want him to die for no reason. Look at that tanker, guys. That's what the frick I'm talking about. Whew. Shit, yeah, guys. This is why you fish in the frickin' thing. Whoa, that was a nice bluegill. Should we look at him again? Look at him bleed. I had to keep him. Ooh. That's a nice one, guys. There's a nice one. Might keep him. Keep 10, so. Oh, another dandy, guys. That one's definitely getting kept. Look at that pig. Unbelievable. Oh. A nice one. What is this, guys? This feels heavy. Oh, it's a nice one. Holy crap. Look at how big this fish is. It's a nice one. Should give him a little measure-rooney. 8.5. Tall. Got 5. Is this really a fish? Hit it on the way in. Ooh, nice orange belly. Have to keep this pig too. Look at how nice that is. These orange cheeks on him. Number 6. Little. Not that little, I guess. But he's... Thank you. Thank you, guys. Nice of you to cheer me on. Oh. Another nice one, guys. Probably throw that one back, though. Got him. Oh my goodness, what is this? Don't get off. Look at that tanker, guys. Holy crap. Oh, he's peeing on me. He's going on the live well too. Oh, this pig, guys. Holy crap. Look at how big this one is. Oh. On the live well too. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them. 8 of them.